So we are going to see the interpretation of graph and different shape. So we are going to see the type of the graph with different type of graph, right? Different interpretation of graph with different shape. So the first thing that we are going to see here is number one, this kind of graph. Make it smaller. So normally this one is called, we call it as y-axis. This one is the x-axis. Normally they will give us some unit in, but not every time they will give you the unit. If they give you the unit, it is okay. Now, the first kind of graph that we are going to see is, this graph is going through the zero here, Jun 0. Right? This point, zero, this point. This point we call this as origin. This point we call this origin, right? 0, kosong here. This is a 0. Then you see your graph is going through the 0. Going through the 0. Jun go through this point here. At this point, Jun go through. So when Jun go through, then we call this one as y is directly proportional to x. It is going through this point at here. It is not go through the 0. When it is not go through the 0, we call it as y is linearly proportional to x. Linearly mean it is a straight line, right? Linearly proportional, it does not go through 0. It directly proportional mean it go through the 0, this point. Now, this kind of graph, we are going to call this y is decreasing linearly with x. So this kind of graph, because it is not a straight line, I cannot say directly or linearly. So I said y is increasing. Alright, y is increasing with x when x increase. See properly, touch. This one touch, touch. If it is touching that way, we are going to call it as y decreasing with x. All right. So when y, this one decreasing, so we call it as y. It is not a straight line. It is this way. Y is inversely proportional to x. Now you tell me, Cikgu, this one same yeah, like that. You see, inversely proportional doesn't touch the y-axis. This one decreasing, right? This one is touching. This one is not touching. So we call it as inversely proportional. This one we also call it as inversely proportional. You will tell me, Cikgu, this one go out. Oh, yes. But this one is not y and x. This is y and 1 over x. So we call this y is inversely proportional to x. This one y is inversely proportional to x. But anyhow, if you don't want, you can call it another way. Or y is directly proportional to y is directly proportional to 1 over x. Also can. F is F is F is yes directly proportional to L. Right? The unit no need. So now the thing that I want is delta y, the change of the y. The change of the y is 6 minus 3 here, the value of here. This value. I want the difference of this value. Here. I want the difference of this value, delta y. Delta y is 6 minus 3. Mean I can use this value minus this value. 6 minus 3. Huh? Delta y, that's how we get it. 6 minus 3, which is 3. This is the delta x. Delta x is 4 minus 2. So ugly. So my gradient is delta y over the delta x. Delta y is 3. Delta x is 4 minus 2, 2. What is this unit? I want to see what is this unit. I'm interested in this unit. It is Newton. What is this unit here? This unit here? It is in meter. So don't forget to put in your meter, the unit. So you get 1.5 Newton divide by meter. Divide by meter. Divide by meter. Newton meter minus 1. Because of divide, so we use minus 1.